Why Palantir is the best AI stock to buy? Is PLTR stock better than C3.AI stock? Hey there, fellow investors and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence stocks, and we've got a hot topic on the docket: why Palantir is the best AI stock to buy. But that's not all, folks. We're going to tackle the age-old question: is PLTR stock better than C3.AI stock? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about the two articles that have ignited this epic showdown in the AI stock market. First up, we've got Palantir versus C3.AI. Which potentially explosive growth stock is the better buy for the dawning artificial intelligence revolution? I mean, come on, with a title like that, who can resist diving into the juicy details of these two tech giants? But wait, there's more. We'll also be discussing the article titled, "Should You Buy the Dip in This AI King Stock?" I'm not sure about you, but when it comes to investing, I'm all about discovering the diamond in the rough, the stock that will soar to the moon and beyond. And today, we'll see if Palantir has what it takes to be that diamond, and if it can outperform C3.AI in the process. So grab some popcorn, press the subscribe button, and join me in the exciting adventure through the AI stock market. You won't want to miss a second to the showdown because the stakes are high when it comes to investing in the future of AI, and the potential profits are even higher. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of Palantir and C3.AI and find out why Palantir might just be your next big investment. Palantir versus C3.AI. Which potentially explosive growth stock is the better buy for the dawning artificial intelligence revolution? So first, we're delving deep into a tantalizing article that's been making waves in the world of AI stocks. Palantir versus C3.AI. Which potentially explosive growth stock is the better buy for the dawning artificial intelligence revolution? Let's face it, folks, AI stocks are the hot topic of 2023. They've been like a rocket ship taking off, and two major players leading this charge are Palantir Technologies with ticker symbol PLTR and C3.AI with ticker symbol AI. Now, the burning question is, which of these high-risk, high-reward growth stocks is better positioned to deliver those big wins for long-term investors? Well, let's take a closer look. First up, we've got Palantir. This company has been in the game since 2003 and has been making strides in big data, machine learning, and AI tech. Their recent launch of artificial intelligence platform is turning heads and attracting investors left and right. Wedbush senior analyst Daniel Ives even thinks Palantir is the gold standard among AI stocks. He's betting on Palantir's continuous growth in the commercial market and maintaining solid relationships with government customers. Not to mention, their revenue is on the rise with a 13% year-over-year increase in the second quarter, and the forecast? Sales growth is expected to jump to 16% in the current quarter. Here's the kicker: Palantir's profitability is heading in the right direction. They've posted an adjusted free cash flow margin of 27% for the first half of this year and have been profitable on a GAAP basis for 3 consecutive quarters. Oh, and they're sitting on a mountain of cash with no debt in sight, roughly $3 billion in cash and marketable securities. But, and it's a big but, Palantir's valuation is already quite lofty, trading at around 64 times this year's expected earnings and 14 times expected sales. Plus, they do have some downsides potential due to their growth-dependent valuation. If they don't meet those sky-high expectations, it could get bumpy. On the other side of the ring, we've got C3.AI, founded in 2009. They've pivoted from energy emissions tracking and IoT to dive headfirst into the AI tech frenzy. Their revenue recently saw an 11% year-over-year increase, hitting $72.4 million in the first fiscal quarter. They're making strides in the enterprise market and scoring government contracts, including one with the Department of Defense. Now, they've estimated full-year sales to be between $295 million and $320 million, which is a potential 15% annual increase if they hit the midpoint of that range. But here's the twist. C3.AI originally planned to be profitable on an adjusted basis this year, but that plan has been pushed back, so profitability is looking somewhat elusive right now. And let's not forget, C3.AI stock is not exactly a bargain, trading at roughly 10 times this year's expected sales. That's a tad steep. So which one should you buy? In the battle of Palantir versus C3.AI, it seems that Palantir has the upper hand for now. They are already delivering consistent profits, and their footing on AI and machine learning software services appears stronger. Of course, both of these stocks are high-risk, high-reward plays, but if you're looking for the smart investment in this AI showdown, Palantir seems to be the top pick. Remember folks, investing in AI stocks can be a wild ride, so always do your research and consider your risk tolerance. Should you buy the dip in this AI king stock? Now for the burning question, should you buy the dip in this AI king stock? We're talking about Palantir Technologies, which has been a hotshot in the world of artificial intelligence investments. But guess what? It hasn't bounced back from a dip it took in August, and its shares are still hanging around 25% below their 2023 peak from August 1. Ouch! So the million-dollar question is, should you scoop up some Palantir shares on the cheap right now? Or was this pullback necessary to keep its valuation in check? Let's break it down. At the heart of Palantir software is AI, and it's not just sprinkled in, it's the real deal. Their software is a data analytics powerhouse that processes tons of data streams and either helps humans make smarter decisions or makes those decisions automatically. While they started out mainly serving government entities, they've expanded to commercial customers too. However, government revenue is still a massive chunk, accounting for 57% of their Q2 revenue, and it's growing faster than commercial clients. Sure, over the long term, commercial customers will become a bigger deal, but government contracts are a substantial part of Palantir's game plan, no matter how far into the future you look. Now, when it comes to AI, Palantir isn't sitting on its hands. They're all about large language models, or LLMs. You know, those AI systems that generate content that sounds like it came from humans. The AI world went nuts for LLMs in late 2022, and Palantir jumped right into the action with its Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP. Management claims they're seeing an incredible demand for AIP. New and old customers are lining up to get their hands on the stack and integrate it with Palantir's base product. Sounds like great news, right? So why did the stock take a hit in August? Well, when you dig into Q2 results and the stock's valuation, it starts to make sense. Here's the deal, Palantir's growth rate isn't as turbocharged as you'd expect for an AI leader. In Q2, revenue grew by 13% year over year, and management's guidance for Q3 is 16% growth. Not bad, but not mind-blowing either. Many folks were hoping for faster growth from a company that's seen as a pioneer in AI. But Palantir software isn't cheap. With only 421 customers, that's about $1.27 million per customer. It's a hefty price for a new customer, especially in times of economic uncertainty. However, Palantir's growth is showing signs of picking up, which is a positive. As it matures as a business, a mid-teens growth rate should be par for the course. Here's where it gets tricky. Palantir trades at around 16 times sales, which is similar to companies growing 2 to 3 times faster. Why? Well, because it's got that shiny AI association. Now, Here's the concern. If the AI hype dies down, Palantir's valuation could take a hit. But if the AI buzz keeps going and Palantir continues to prove itself, well, maybe a smaller position in the stock could make sense. In any case, don't expect the same eye-popping 135% gains that Palantir delivered earlier in 2023. The road ahead might be a bit more challenging. So there you have it, folks. Palantir is still a fascinating player in the AI game, but you've got to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!